Drive your business growth with data-driven machine learning. Empower your decision-making with real-time insights. Welcome to Sparkflows, the platform ushering in the new age of AI-powered self-service data and ML solutions. From thousands of lines of code to visual workflows. Over 450 no-code, low-code processes that boost productivity and drives efficiency. From people working individually to seamless collaborations. Access control, versioning, and sharing projects with teams. From individual machines to shared clusters. Scale execution of petabytes of data in target clusters at high speed. Building everything from scratch to customizable out-of-the-box solutions. Accelerate business use cases. Experience the state-of-the-art self-service capabilities. Reduce operational cost. Speed up development. In a single powerful platform, integrate with multiple sources using over 100 connectors. Over 300 best-in-class data preparation nodes. Accelerate decision-making with self-service machine learning using over 100 no-code ML algorithms. Enterprise security, scheduling, orchestration, versioning, all bundled inside a single platform. Out-of-the-box functional capabilities. AutoML, auto-profiling, auto-workflows, and automated feature selections. Seamless automations that drive efficiencies. With a few clicks, create scalable reports and dashboards. Empower your business with powerful insights. Generative AI helps you unlock revenue opportunities, optimizes business processes, and mitigates risks for your business. Within minutes, build analytical apps and run them on your cluster of choice. Significantly reduce time to market. Become an analytics hero. Speed up, innovate rapidly, reduce infrastructure costs, boost productivity, drive efficiency, increase ROI. AI for everyone.